My dehumidifier arrived. I left a note stating that they could put it into the shed if it was too big for the letterbox, but it's smaller than I was expecting. So let's do one of those unboxing things, shall we? Quick sip of tea. Power supply, I'd imagine. Instructions in English, and how anal to put the instruction booklet in a bag. This will be the water reservoir. There's a float there, and a drain. Strange to have a drain with a plug on it when the drip thing is open. Inside, two buttons. One will be activated by this to say that the container's in place, and the other one will be activated by the float to say, I'm full, no more, turn off. And a power brick, which is 9 volts, 22.5 watt. Strange little plug attached to it. It goes in there, and there you go, that's it. If you look inside, I don't know if you can see this, but there's a big heatsink in there, and what looks like a fan on that side. So this will be the hot side, it'll be sucking hot air out, and there you go. You might just be able to see another heatsink in that side, and that will be the cold side. That ought to have a condenser. Yep, there you go, you can see the heatsink in there, and the doodah that gets hot and cold, the peltier, just underneath there. It's angled forwards, as you can see that, to drip condensation from getting cold into here. Right, I'll stick it up near the kitchen and see how it does.